Omo, this girl, she too sweet though. Huh?
You say waiting.
Now wow. Anyway, I'll put smile on her face.
It is smoky, Igbo.
I have 10,000 naira here with me now, and that is my last card. I will give her 8,000. No, 8,000 naira is too big. Let me give her 6,000. Yes, 6,000 naira is okay. 6,000 naira, and she could be happy. She would like to come back again. Yes.
Don't worry, just dey play.
6,000 naira do okay.
So with this guy, they think like this. Can you just give me 1 million? No? Hey! In fact, if you give me 1 million, I won't even collect it. Hey! Ain't me no wish 2 million naira, I no go collect from my hand. I know what I go do as a sharp girl. Make I run 1 or 2. Hello, E-Money. Oh, E-Money, how you doing? I'm so sorry I missed your call. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. I couldn't even attend the meeting with Obi Kubana and Chief Priest. But I'll make it up this weekend. Yes. Oh, the money? Oh, yes, I received the 2 million.
We just pray.
I received the 2 million naira. Yes. No problem. And that means you balance me like 2.5. Hey! Yes, I'll get.
Look at my face.
I'll call you back, please. I'll call you. Are you okay? What happened? What's it? What's it? What's it? Talk to me. What's it? Somebody help! Please, let me get you water. Please talk to me. God.
This evening you will die.
You are a very bad boy.
Hey, Jesus! Hold this man in the first place.